how to fix golden refresh feed on Instagram. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix golden refresh feed easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps, and then all what you have to do now is simple. Click on apps again, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So click in the top here and search for Instagram. Click on it, and then go down to the power usage details and make sure to enable this option right here, and then go back and click on force stop. And after that, all what you have to do is reopen your Instagram, and if it's working, that's good. If it's not, go back again, go to apps like this, and this time click on storage and click on clear data. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.